So we are at this cafe called Xstasy Food Stories, and which is in Marredpally. And Ayush, take a bite and tell us how does it taste.
It's actually the best pasta I've ever tasted.
Seriously? Wow, the best pasta you've ever tasted. Wow, let me also taste it. Seriously, you should tell them, they'll feel so happy. That's the team behind Xstasy Food Stories. Pretty good, really good, I would say. And you have these blue color fairy lights. And this pasta is just for $160, so it's value for money, really. And yeah, it is good. If you were to take a look at the menu card, but I'm told the menu card is changing, like I guess the rates will also be increased. But yeah, there are lots of Maggi dishes also that sound really good. Probably I'd like to try Punjabi masala fried Maggi and all. And there are all this farm fresh burger and all of this.
Best pasta I've ever eaten.
Really? Oh, the whole thing is for you, sweetheart. You can have it. So this is a cute place. Xstasy it is. And this is in Marredpally, West Marredpally, Secunderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.